Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is teacher Barnabe. Muraho neza, nizere ko mumeze neza. Mwarimu Barnabe n'ibisanzwe kwiga icyongereza. I hope now you are learning English with me, and what I want is that by the end of this year everyone will be able to speak English very well. Now, icyo nifuza nuko by the end of this year, nyuma y'umwaka mbere yo kurangira buri wese azi kuvuga icyongereza neza without committing any mistake. So, mbere yuko utangira uyu munsi mbafitiye isomo ryiza cyane mugomba kureba from now until the end. So tukigana ibintu byiza cyane kandi biryoshye. Turi kwigana rero uburyo wakora interuro nziza mu cyongereza kandi iboneye. How you can construct a correct sentence in English. So we are going to study all you need to make the sentence correct in English. Reka dutangire. How to make a correct sentence in English. How to construct a correct English sentence. Now, iyo turi gukora interuro nziza cyangwa se yuzuye mu cyongereza dukoresha ibintu bitatu. Dukoresha subject, we need the subject, we also need a verb and object or complement. Iyo turimo turakora interuro mu cyongereza dukenera subject, tugira subject 8 mu cyongereza. Hanyuma tukagira verb inshinga ndetse n'icyuzo cyangwa se complement. Now in the subject we do have I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. Tugira mu cyongereza subject 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. I ivuga njyewe, you ikavuga wowe, she ikavuga we w'umukobwa. This one works for girls. Then he ikavuga we w'umuhungu, boy. Hanyuma it igakora ku kintu cyangwa inyamaswa. It ikora ku kintu cyangwa inyamaswa. Things or animals. It works on things or animals. Hanyuma we ikavuga twebwe, you twebwe benshi. Hanyuma you ikavuga mwebwe benshi, they ikavuga bo batarahanga ariko benshi. Izi ni subject 8 tugira mu cyongereza mugomba kumenya. I ikavuga njyewe, you I njyewe, you ikavuga wowe, she ikavuga we w'umukobwa, hanyuma he ikavuga we w'umuhungu, hanyuma it ikakora ku kintu cyangwa inyamaswa, we ikavuga twebwe, you ikavuga wowe, mwebwe, hanyuma they ikavuga bo batarahanga. Hanyuma iyo tumaze gushyira part subject twongeraho icyo bita verb. Verb rero ni inshinga. Tugira verb zigiye zitandukanye like, give me an example. Yes, please type in the comment the verb that you know. Inshinga verb, dushobora kugira verb to read. Verb to read ivuga gusoma ibitabo. Verb to write ivuga kwandika. Verb to write ivuga kwandika. Verb to drink ivuga kunywa. Hanyuma verb to go ivuga kujya ahantu. Verb to do ivuga gukora. Ni nyinshi cyane, tugira both regular and irregular verbs. Mugomba gusoma tugira tuzigana umunsi ku munsi. Hanyuma tukagira no object cyuzuzo, water, ushobora kugira food, ushobora kugira grass and many more. Those things that can complete our sentence. Now, ibi ni ibintu bitatu ugomba kumenya niba ushaka mu cyongereza ugomba kugenderaho urimo urakora interuro nziza kandi yuzuye. This is subject, verb and object. Tugiye gukora interuro nziza yuzuye. Interuro nziza yuzuye. Reka duse nk'abasibaho gatoya kugira ngo tuze gukora interuro zacu nziza zuzuye kandi zimeze neza. Hanyuma tugiye gukora interuro nziza yuzuye ifite subject, verb ndetse na object. I read. Reka dukoreshe verb to read. I read books. Bivuze ngo nsoma ibitabo. I read book, nsoma ibitabo njyewe. I ukora kuri njyewe. I read books, nsoma ibitabo. Okay? Hanyuma You read books. You read books. Wowe usoma ibitabo. I read books. You read books. Izi ni subject hanyuma zikaba verb, subject hanyuma izi books kaba object. Hanyuma I read book usoma ibitabo. You read books usoma ibitabo. She reads. Now she reads books. Asoma ibitabo w'umukobwa. Hanyuma kuri she itegeko mugomba kumenya ahangaha. Kuri she na he ndetse na it we add s or es bitewe na verb iyo ariyo. Ndabisubiramo cyane ko bigomba kuba sometimes birabagora. We add s or es kuri she na he na it, kuri subject, kuri ngenga eshatu, ngenga gatatu twongeraho s or es kuri verb bitewe n'iki. Verb iherwa n'ingombajwi. The verb that is ended by a consonant we add only s, and the verb that is ended by vowel we add es. Urugero hanga kuri verb to read urabona ko twongeyeho s kubera ko verb iherwa n'ingombajwi d. I think I'm right. Please let's study together. D. It is a consonant. That's why we add s on he, on she na he. He ikora ku muhungu. Urugero he reads books. He reads we add s books. Hanyuma kuri iyo dufite verb iherwa n'ingombajwi like verb to go. Good, verb to go ivuga kujya ahantu urabona ko iherwa n'inyajwi we add es. Kuri verb ziherwa n'inyajwi we add es kuri she na he na it. Urugero she, he and it. Here we are going to add e. We say she goes to school. He goes to school. It goes somewhere because it works on animal or things. So we say it goes somewhere. Now on she, he, it we add es kuri verb zose ziherwa n'inyajwi. She goes to the market. He goes to the market. It goes somewhere. Now that's all the example. Let's continue now our conjugation. I think please note them somewhere. Take notebook and add them somewhere. This is the general rule we use when we are making the good and correct sentence. Then we can continue. We read books. We read books. We read books and many more. Now uku niko ushaka constructinga interuro nziza kandi yuzuye mu cyongereza. I read books. You read books. She reads book. He reads books. We read book. Dusoma ibitabo. You read books. Musoma ibitabo. They read books. Basoma ibitabo. Nizere ko na subject nazo wazinotinze ahantu. Reka dukore izindi nteruro dukoresheje verb zitandukanye kugira ngo bitaza kugucanga bize kuba byiza. Ikindi ni uri ahangaha kora subscribe kuri channel yacu twicyongereza umunsi ku munsi neza kandi vuba, cyangwa twandikira kuri 07 079 100 92 85. On WhatsApp we can respond to you quickly so that we can learn English very well. 079 100 92 85. Hanyuma rero tukiga icyongereza umunsi ku munsi, isaha ku isaha. Then reka dukoreshe izindi verb twukore interuro nziza kandi ziboneye mu cyongereza. I go, reka dukoreshe she goes to the market. She goes to the market. She goes to the market. Ajya ku isoko. To the market. She subject, goes verb, to the market bikaba complement or object. Ushobora gusimbuza izina ry'umuntu. We say like Teta kubera ko ni umukobwa. Teta goes to the market. Teta goes to the market. Hanyuma ushobora kuvuga ngo bagabo visits. We add s kubera ko bagabo ni umuhungu. he visits, Bagabo visits Akagera National Park, Akagera National Park every day, buri munsi. Iyi ngiyi ni tense zanazo tugenda twiga umunsi ku munsi. Wacikanwe reba ino video yo muri description, hanyuma aza kumenya uko wakora simple present tense. Hanyuma niba isomo rigufashije, like, subscribe, hanyuma reka dukore practice muri comment please. Reka dukore practice, hanyuma nkorera interuro nk'ebyiri ukoresheje verb to write ndetse na verb to do muri comment, hanyuma umbwire ko interuro iboneye ukoresheje verb to write and verb to do, hanyuma umbwire muri comment. Bye bye. Reka dukomeze n'andi masomo agiye atandukanye menshi cyane yagufasha kwiga Icyongereza neza kandi vuba. Ciao ciao, bye bye.